Hello wood mice and dormice, and welcome back to this week's maths learning. We're going to carry on learning about 2D shapes and practicing describing our shapes using the language sides and corners. To begin with, just going to remind ourselves of the names of these shapes. So we've got a square, a rectangle, a circle and a triangle. We're also going to be using these shapes today. So we're going to remind ourselves of what these shapes are called. So this shape here is called a hexagon. A hexagon. And a hexagon is a six-sided shape. So let's check. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 6 sides and 6 corners. And this shape is called a hexagon. Can you say that one? Hexagon. So a hexagon is a six-sided shape. Moving on to this shape here. This shape is called a octagon. Octagon. An octagon has got 8 sides and 8 corners. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's got 8 sides and 8 corners. Now a good way of remembering that an octagon is 8 is thinking about an octopus, because an octopus has got 8 legs. An octagon has got 8 sides and 8 corners. And also from watching number blocks, we know that octoblock is made up of 8. So that word oct means 8. So we've got a hexagon and we have got an octagon, which is our 8-sided shape. We're going to be using these shapes today and we're going to play a game. I'll play it with you to begin with, and then you're going to play it at home with somebody that you live with. So we're going to remind ourselves of these shapes, and then I'm going to hide one behind a box. I'm going to describe it and you're going to say which shape I'm describing. So we've got a square. Ooh, an 8-sided shape, what's that called? An octagon. A rectangle. A circle. Our 6-sided shape is called a hexagon. And we have a triangle. So behind this box, I have hidden a shape. Now it's going to be one of the shapes that you can see there on the screen. Now this shape has got 3 sides and 3 corners. Which shape do you think I am describing? Let's have a look. It is a triangle. It's got 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 corners. Ready for the next one? This shape has got 6 sides and 6 corners. So it's one of the shapes that you can see on the screen in front of you. Which shape has got 6 sides and 6 corners? Let's have a look. It is a hexagon. Our hexagon. Ready to the next one? So this shape has got 0. Doesn't have any corners. It has got 1 curved side. Which shape am I describing? Let's have a look and see if you're right. It is the circle. Let's do one more together. So this shape has got 4 sides and 4 corners. The sides are all the same length. Which shape must I be describing? Let's have a look. That's right, it is a square. So 4 sides and 4 corners, and our square has sides that are the same length. So you can carry on playing this game with somebody at home. So if you print out the sheet of the shapes that we gave to you, or draw them, or maybe you have some shapes already at home, you're going to hide one and then you're going to describe it for somebody else to guess, and then you can swap over so you get a chance to guess while the other person describes. You can play it a few times, and then we would like you to write in a comment how you got on and maybe a photo as well.